Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to get the Hulu app on any Hisense Smart TV. Whether you're into movies, TV shows, or live sports, Hulu has something for everyone. Let's get started. Step 1. Check compatibility. First things first, make sure your Hisense Smart TV is connected to the internet and is compatible with the Hulu app. Most recent Hisense models support Hulu, but it's good to double check. Step 2. Access the App Store. Using your Hisense remote, navigate to the home screen and find the App Store or Apps section. This is where you'll download new apps like Hulu. Step 3. Search for Hulu. Inside the App Store, use the search function, usually denoted by a magnifying glass icon, to search for Hulu. Select the official Hulu app from the search results. Step 4. Download and install. Click on the Hulu app icon to open its download page. Then, click on Download or Install to begin downloading the app to your Hisense Smart TV. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Step 5. Launch Hulu. Once the Hulu app is downloaded and installed, return to the home screen of your Hisense Smart TV. You should now see the Hulu app icon. Click on it to launch the app. Step 6. Sign in or sign up. If you already have a Hulu account, enter your login credentials, username, and password. If not, you can sign up for a new account directly through the app. Conclusion. That's it for today's tutorial on how to get the Hulu app on any Hisense Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.